Hello guys, so in this section now we are going to talk about the wrong format data on data cleaning. So the wrong format data is data that might be entered yes correctly but in a wrong format. For example, on the data set we are talking about, if around the non-values we have this row number 26. Yes, this date was entered correctly, but the format of the data is entered wrongly because these are string. As you can see, the other dates how they are entered, and we compare with this is a wrong format data. Yes, it's entered correctly but in a wrong format. So we are going to clean this data on the date column. This I'm showing you on how to correct the wrong format data using the date column. So we are going to correct on this wrong format data because mostly the wrong format data happens on the date columns such kind. So we are going to discuss on this on how to correct the wrong format. As for what I had explained on the first video, you can just on the non-values you can just drop the non-values because you can't just replace date as usual like the integer values or the calories values. So and maybe the column might have like 1,000 rows, so you can't just replace the date values on the non-values, but you can correct the wrong format data. So we are first going to correct the format data, then we are going to drop the non-values. So let's go to our code. So let's start on correcting the date. So data frame date is equals to ed dot to underscore date time, then you pass in the data frame column date. So this is going to correct format the date. So let's run and see. The row number 26 is going to be correctly formatted. Yeah, as you can see, it was correctly formatted according to the description of according to how the other dates were entered. So the next thing, now this one reads not a time. Now it's just the same as the non-values. So what we are going to do, because we can't just replace the date, for us here we can just replace the date as date 22. But now imagine you have a big data with 1,000 rows on a column. So what are you going to do? You can't just replace all the not a time values date. So we can just drop the non-values on this column. So let's do that. So let's drop the not a time values on date column. Df dot drop now. So we pass in the subset is equals to date, then in place equals true. So we are going to drop the non-values on the date column. So let's run our program and see the row number 22. As you can see, the row number 22 was dropped. And that's all on how to data clean on the wrong format data in your data sets. Thank you. Bingo.